Hey everybody, so I gotta talk really loud because I have my canner going on over there. We're gonna make some omelet breakfast sandwiches. So I have sliced in half 5 English muffins. I've beaten 4 eggs. I have a little bit of bell pepper and onion. And this is gonna be enough for his breakfast for a week. So I'm using 4 eggs for 1 week. I got my bell pepper and my onion in there. And then I get this diced ham for like $3 and something. I've already used it twice. My husband wanted ham and bean soup, so I used a jar of my home canned pinto beans, added some more seasonings, some dried onion, and this ham. Let it simmer for about an hour, and he loved it. He got his ham and bean soup. And then another night he wanted pizza, and I won't order pizza because I think it's too expensive. So I made pizzas on hoagie rolls. So they were like French bread pizzas, and I did bell pepper, onion, cheese, 2 kinds of cheese, the diced ham, pizza sauce, and every bit of it came from here. So I'm just continuing on using this ham. And there'll still be a bunch left. I'm going to put it in the freezer, and I'll have it for more breakfast sandwiches or recipes like I did or whatever. Oh good, at least the dishwasher's done. Okay, let's move over to the stove without breaking anything. I have this little muffin-sized pan. Get a smidge of butter, just a smidge. Turn it down to low. I'm sorry about the canner. It's Sunday. I'm trying to get as much done as I can. Put just a little bit of the egg mixture and just let it cook, and it'll puff up. So we're just going to let it do that. I hope you all are doing okay. I've been hearing bad things going on out on the streets out there somewhere. Kind of scary. Going on everywhere. He likes his ham. Just let that cook. And the last time I made these, I put a little square of Swiss cheese. I had those sandwich slices, so I cut them in fourths and put a little piece of cheese on each sandwich. Flip it over. That was less than stellar, but it'll be fine. And just let that continue to cook, and it's going to rise a little bit. And he said he loved them. That was his favorite so far. He said it was like an omelet, which was the whole point. So I'm going to let this cook so you don't have to sit here and listen to the canner. Okay, so easy peasy. Take our egg, nice and puffy now. Okay, puffed up. That makes it seem like there's a lot more egg. And actually, the more filling you have, the less egg you can get away with using. It's the vegetables that makes the egg steam up, so you don't have to use as much. So that's all we're doing. And just let them cook, and I'm going to keep on making them and pop them in the freezer. Okay, everything's under control again in here. So, this is what they look like after you get that first one done. They're pretty, and they puff up. I figured that noise was enough. Got 2 more to go. My stove is running hot tonight, I tell ya. This is it. I'm done after that canner is empty. I was going to put on my pajamas, but not until that canner is empty. Cools down, does its thing. So these are good, and it's cheap, and you can use whatever you have in the refrigerator. Any vegetables you want, any cheeses you want. With 3 to 4 eggs, and you can get a week's worth of breakfast. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Got some canning videos. Well, a canning video with 2 beef recipes at one time. So, you all take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.